Hey everyone, it's me Coach Z, and in this channel I share Upwork tips, virtual assistant tutorials, and everything freelancing. So if this all sounds so good to you, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop an episode. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you all the things you need to set up before you look for freelance clients. If you're excited to dig in, go smash that like button and let's get started. The first thing you need to set up or you need to be clear about, of course, is your skills and your set of services. I think I no longer have to explain that one, but I hope you get what I mean. The second thing is pricing. Once you are clear about what services you will be offering your future clients, then the next thing is, of course, your pricing. There are actually different types of pricing when it comes to freelance services. It could be an hourly rate, it could be a project-based rate, it could be a monthly retainer rate. But what I usually tell my coaching clients is that to compute their hourly rate first so that they would know how to compute their project-based and their monthly retainer fee. Sounds good? Cool. So the third one, after the skills, after the pricing, is of course your ideal clients. You have to figure out who you want to serve and who you think are the people who will be needing the services that you offer. It's very important to know the industry and even knowing what stage of business your clients are in. Like, are they startups? Are they growing businesses? Are they scaling businesses? So that's very important. It's really important for you to understand and to be clear about who you want to serve. Once you're able to set up your services, your pricing, and the ideal clients that you want to serve, make sure that you also have prepared a contract for your future clients, because for sure they will be asking for a contract once you onboard them. You can find actually a lot of contract templates in Google. You can tweak it and you can adjust it according to your preferences. After which, you need to be able to prepare your invoices. You can create invoices using Canva. I hope you're familiar with it. If not, you can search for it in Google. Canva is a very friendly design tool that you can use, and there are hundreds of templates that you can choose from when it comes to creating invoices, so you can make use of that. However, if you will be using PayPal as your payment option for your freelance business, there is an option in PayPal that you can send invoices to your clients. There is also an option in PayPal that you can send recurring invoices, wherein every month or every specific date of the month, PayPal will automatically send the invoices to your clients. So there you go. The next thing, of course, is that you should already know what communication tool to use should you onboard new clients. So it could be Slack, it could be WhatsApp, Instagram DMs, or Facebook Messenger. But make sure that you already know what communication tool to use so that when the client asks you where can they reach you, then you can already tell them where. So that's also one very important thing that you need to set up. Okay, the other things that you need to set up is, of course, your project management tool or your collaboration tool. This is so important because once you onboard the client will usually ask where you will be putting all the media files, or maybe where to put in the tasks so they get updated from time to time. So make sure that you already have a project management tool to use. And the common ones are Asana, Trello, Airtable, and of course for the collaboration or for the cloud software or app, most clients and freelancers use Google Drive. So make sure that all of that are already set up. Next thing that you need to set up is the most important thing, which is the customer journey and onboarding process. What is customer journey and what is onboarding process? Customer journey is, when a client goes from point 1 to point 2 to point 3, meaning this could be, finding your services through a sales page, a website, or an offer page, or through Instagram DMs or email. So that's the first point of the customer journey. So make sure that it's already set up, that you already have an offer to share, a link, maybe a document. So that's the first stop. Then next would be you have to set up the calendar link or the appointment scheduler so that the client can book a call with you and discuss if you are aligned and if you are fit to work together. After which is that you need to set up or to prepare your discovery call script or discovery call process. What happens during the discovery call should also be already set up and already prepared. And next thing would be your onboarding emails. This happens after the client says yes during the call or during the chat or the email or whatever sales conversation going on. After which is that you will be sending onboarding emails. So make sure that that's already prepared and set up on the back end as well. So onboarding emails includes the welcome packet and the next steps to working together. So there you go. Those are the things you need to set up before looking for freelance clients. These are also very important so that in the future you won't go on panic mode when the client asks you what project management tool do you use. Do you have a contract? Do you have an invoice? And all those stuff. So at least everything is settled in the back end and you're ready to really just start working with your future clients. To recap, your skills and services, your pricing, your ideal clients, to serve the contract, the invoice, the communication tool, the project management or collaboration tool, and your customer journey and onboarding process. I hope you got value from this episode, and if you did, please drop the word gold in the comments below. I would really appreciate it. And by the way, if you are in this stage wherein you're not sure yet what service to offer or just what to do first before you put up your freelance business, I am launching a course very soon, which is the YouTube Pro, wherein I will help you become a highly paid YouTube strategist. So if you're interested, go check the link in the description and sign up for the wait list. I hope there is something that you can implement right away from this video, and I'll see you on my next episode.